Christo so so lenient say e makon e menkofo bi say din sey they should come out no make say imam bi nye papa.
They say Christo so kwa na say say bi say
no, we are very lenient. We are very lenient. And let me just say, he is using such a big station to cover his fraudulence. One God, no. When you are a spiritual father, no, I assess what he does. Men are not yet assess you will fit out what to do. Even Abosunso, you will get fit out and you will the way to do. Christosum, you will fit out and you will to do.
Sir?
Yes.
In these days, I war archer say, and net daily pa any adawa, so far one more abba, one more media, one more edi, a mouth for Yako, Mushim, some person who will finger me and need your own finger me. And now so ama yet, former Sakawaki. Obeji ni din wagana high science say wadan wadan nyame ba o sha say what expose association na wo mu de dada yesa ka wo mu ni din edi one god wa ba bonte abeka say sofu bi edwuma wo di e kire say ne nyame din ya da no so no ya tronkuto na sofu ko a woni no enya wo gya nyame na wo be kai a na wo cheche mu gya nyame din nsemi betu dwa fa ye mampeni a wote ade so Yewura na Kufu Ado say na nyema ete e wo sunsun wiase no so wanhwe ye na empire akosoro amane de a ene wo ebete say former president Professor Thanos de ne pepepepe so no ti dwemu a wotimi free mu saa keke ye awo kisem kese wo man no saa pepepe na ne de no so ebeye na anso wa wo sa de betu dwa biem say wo no de ofre wo no so no de muamu obi bia say we will be per control for you, yes, I can for you, per control, not as a unya panchira control no one, open, or the brother say, but then no problem, will be bomb pie, my country, your way to come at the mama also, with me, Enya, Okakraba Aqua, no, in some way, I will be to Dano, and I hear one god this shame was that be was off for in some way, and if you was off on your mini penny back, unfinya back, say, no. And I call a jackesia, I dare and yas, good amount for Casamampa. Now, send ye, send a etica cono, say, Yanka, I'm fat money in the woman sit that ya, and a jazz, a besia, shatraco, amount for the community, ready at the bread, you try wapa, you buy some neighbors of higher. And it was your fault, and yes, I believe so. Why the bet me actually you finger me, and you won't finger me. Na da bio akwanya we abeda wa ne amamafo kasa wan asodie eno no ye bisa ye hu anu ye agese nipa na ne ho asem aba ne nyo no ankasa mu a wo ye sem na so se ni nchire mu eda nsem ni mu anase wo bi a wetimi akasa edi amanenti we de me bo mama ne se ye oja na me wono ankasa ni nua ni mpo wa ha obekire nsem akochire paniti bo me niema no akwaba owofo owofo
owapa
okronkroni
owapa
bibi aboko
nyame adu bibi ayeboko na Ghana nsemi wo ho a se wotia eya na nyeboko enti ameka sa ne se anope me sorry ye nyame no kroni se ka se ebufu ahye nipa akoma so a se bi ebufu ahye akoma so ache enti ama ase mintimi respond to nyama bebre. The reason being is we intro Ojanyame or Nyame difo.
Okay.
Okosroba for boy Nyame difo. Now this person in question was friend one God.
Ode nyabotre ye be ko wonu nyabotre we de intro crab won to the
okay.
Wo me so fu wo nkra wo me so. Na me bisa wa udi unua no ho adanse se we Nyame difo. Ane bia Nyame fe no na wo gina hobi. Ye se Nyame fi obi no oni hobi. Nti wo ye den de bi wa dance de kra ne sen. De na wo gina so de aka se we Nyame difo. te say would do what dance sa kwan so.
Okay. Me da say this question.
Okay.
Ujenyame renew from childhood.
Okay.
And yene ujenyame yimia or yimia from childhood.
Ni na che.
Na sebi. Yaka se odifo bia ni enunyam wo ni kromu a. Eto da bia sa asem no. Me di ujenyame asem gina so kase. Eni enye adifo nyina. Fi say ujenyame from the childhood. Yaka se obi e fitter. Yaka se obi e fit.
Say no one okay.
That time from Krofrom the Chemso area, would you say area? Say, oh, fit, only fit, children.
Sir,
I'm telling you.
No, I'm wondering, pa.
No, a macho man.
Okay.
It was already a stature. Who say, I say, Obia, what build the jai. The car bounces, sir. That time, bounces, sir. Ujenyame was part of Sar bounces.
Okay.
Now, Yedanyamia Sima Yenia Bema no, the crane of Copo Diamano. And I'm so. Ama Ujenyame to me about being a minipa. Now, Uba area wa. Ubia uni Ujenyame. And yet no Ujenyame sa back to the root. Or sa coffee. Also, who are Yamia and I don't wapidano. On Kolinchi. Achebia. Miwo Kumase. Every Sunday, enumere. Tuesdays, enumere. Thursdays, enumere. Say, Saturdays we have our bomb. Say, oh, street him. Na Saturdays in one more Jenny. Car wa around, and that's one of the boys. A she didn't command. Not maybe Ujenyame ni Kumasi. Obefie and the boys within common 2 boys for. Oba wa ni eni dia. Seven previous. Ubia if you no problem. Why ye nyamijuma che. Obi him say ni pass me si we die. Ye won say wo me sofo. Say ni di na be ma say ni pa. Say ni di na ni de ma Ujenyame.
Sir.
Because the party will go back and say, when we to training and you Nyame na ekofo etutu ayampia emanu with Ujenyame the party no yes sir. I'm telling you, baby, you unity, baby, you unity me. Baby, I am in Pabua. Baby, upon in Tabi. From the womb down. No Ujenyame. Be seen there.
One
way now.
Okay.
On God said, Sebi, ni DBS society were free, but they are not one year baby for. Ujenyame has always remained how he is.
Tina hu brasie ni so okai ni chinti na hu ni se ntino ade a ofre won so anase nyakopon afen.
Ofre de se e ka so ofre a. O se nipa morally. Oni ya obeye no. Obi timi kura obi wa wonye sofo.
Okay.
But only Misha morally, they all see comporting on and they all see yellow. Oh, me and I don't can't also your shuffle. But penny actions to think as the person with there. We do a shuffle bar. But who are the actions? Our day back. Who can't doubt it and say, people of the cassette, oh, review me a shuffle. As I say, hey, sir, any a shuffle, any a shuffle idiot. But I'm telling you, Ujenyame share in them with you, there are so many prophecies through him. Abba Ewagana, Nensorima, Brono, because was so come, Anna Wuda Womuno, Esi, Yatinatu, satisfied, Ampa, Aquari say, first, Nanka, oh yeah, Metro Man, why the home bouncer, na. And Tokwasam, Nene, Waba, what's not a shell come off for you, now a seer. That tells you that this transformation is the best, but nothing but the best. It is made to me, and come shall wash it. Me so, it be bang me, I wash it for phone come, I'm on a bill. a wakyerɛ nkurɔfoɔ akwankyerɛ a wɔde nkurɔfoɔ akasa asesa wɔn mu efiri nneɛma bɔne mu abɛyɛ nneɛma papa. Me in question, me at first na asɔfoɔ a mempɛ sɔfo di akyi.
Okay.
Na mempɛ sɔfo di akyi. If you check my previous videos I made here, but later Ojanyame bɛmaa me the other side of the view. You know say obi a twa adeɛ kyenkyenso obi a wɔkɔ ɔfa so a ohunu, but obi bitumi na ohunu bi a wo sɛ dabi ade de na si hɛ no na yɛ mfom so. But now I'm somebody how will you see me say me condemn another pastor?
Okay. Enti na tese na so we nya na wo ni say no nti qualify ni so ye Nyankopon.
Sure.
Sure. Okay, ni enfe no ento woni enwe eye de ya one God abeka eno no so na so wo de ka say Ojanyame enfi nyame. Ghana ha eya de ya trend say odifo bia ba ponti a obekwan obeka asem na asem na tene na te say obi a bi de ni kire no obi sa wana ne ka na say ni din na ekọ no na akwai ade a wo mo be bia so aye nipa tichu bi enwa sem no beka na sem bi a wo de beba so ye bone so owu enti si wo beka say ye wo mampani a wote so wo bewu te say mampani dada professor Atamos na bi mtu wasa aka say Sakawa boys and I say fraud boys so munya moa wo mumra na so ye obepo wo no so munsa atimi akoma no sai nsem ni nu oka na one god igina so aka say nti mo finya me no wo ni say no so ya dia ye hwemu anka waka asemu
mama na was such an intelligent question.
Okay.
Na mama kasi micho iwiase aye won se empayifo bu baby say de onim ko na ye ni gina atwenman.
Okay.
Na sabi untumi fiti preko pen ka asem a wonim enfo obi ho keke no aka na woko yen kasasa.
Okay.
Na ka asem we I just don't want to talk about that name now boy one God. One God as a word.
One God.
Eye edinya emudu. So the befrɛ Nyame Nyankopɔn baako. Na utie din na you ask yourself, say nipa no odi din na to ho so no. Eye camouflage. Ena all camouflage nkofo to odi say din na to ho ana. This same person or condemning a man of God no. One, minim ne stance, minim ne belief. Ukura. Utie ne kasa. O kasa. Ena karma. Listen. Ghanaians shouldn't be fooled by such these people and some of them. Ena karma. We all know karma. Ena say, unye Christiani, unye believer. How can you assess a man of God? Say, you get on a sebi, yama kwan ama kofo wajini moha. And control a little portion of the media. Sebi, and kofo bi, ejini, their selfish interests. And remember such people like that person. And to me, I bet now a whole big station like this. Now, what can say more anymore? Maybe
into which one God not more.
Oh, penny somehow come. One, if it is your bang, we say no, yes, Sakawa.
King.
Oba you be revealing and conform your man. One year and was Sakawa. Now, if you admit yourself, say, Udi Boni, where Jai Bonidi. So if you turn from bad to good, it's the best. Yes, sir.
Sanity.
Good. Now this same person, I will say, or by what be revealing
nkurɔfoɔ a na ɔmo ɛyɛ sakawa ɛto adi ama ɛnɛ ɛnam so am na bɛyɛ that so called well known enti wobɔ ne din a oh that guy na or man
sakawa mu aba no
yes na man saa caption na ama ne gyina saa tumi ne so akeka sɛ bi nsɛm akyerɛ obi akeke ɛyɛ unfortunate because that same person no onimi nyame it doesn't know God.
So why
you don't know God.
Okay.
You don't know onimi nyame. But ya man koya man kofo the tag bi ato omo so deceive kofo. He doesn't go to church. When will deliver alone from Sanya na woye. Wako sorry ana. You ask yourself, no.
What
was his reasons? Say if say or claim say those people are not real. What are his reasons? If so some of them bumpire remember ne jai the money na woye abeye papa. That should tell you the whole justification of all transformation, because if a man of God can transform you from your bad deeds to good deeds, that tells you that man of God has done a real good job. Eti minimum how we wait me say because of that inti where they are sorry. If where they are sorry, and no guarantee you say no such a person like you. Ultima a whole media so condemning us one way or the other. You have one software there which is a command. Are you normal? No, listen. Let's be realistic. Let's be realistic.
Me too.
If you think, say, you believe in karma is not God. Karma is not Satan. Karma is a principle. And if you live by that principle, that is you. Your principle does not give you that justification to condemn somebody and talk ill about anybody. And unfortunate. And he's so comfortable in his zone. And now, why comfortable with means someone all can because what we're tuning to football microphone neutral at the end.
Sir?
Yes, that is a fact.
Okay.
And again, I did about constitution they say. Also, every name and the company. You sit on the station. What can we so we know who say from contact me. This is my number. I will help you. And you get down people contacting this same fraud guy. Obi ono say we jai sakawa. What you will summon yemen? What sama musu nyame? What the oya dantem? Would you comfort? Would you support him? Would you be at him? That is you. And you tell us, say, karma, etimi, ekachiro say, are you normal? You know karma. What is the way that he say, oh, the bosom be of the karma? For that one, I can't tell.
I say, dear, your ma,
that's what I'm saying, sir. That is what I'm saying, sir.
Okay.
Sir, yeah, astrology. Now, say, what's the astrological verse here? And if somebody says karma, you understand that person said, and your life principle that happens to anybody at any time. You can't cheat nature. That is karma for you. That is karma.
Okay.
If you say, the principles in life, and open consultation, don't deceive people. You are not dumb people. If you are dumb, you are not dumb. And Ayamiga said, he is using such a station, such a big station, to canvas his fraudulence. My advice my advice to the CEO of that channel, say it's either you let him keep quiet on issues that he has no clue about it. Because ultimately, such a station, now can say Obia flow, say Ojanyami, Afrodeno, Ajisikabi, say Obeya Conchedia Obey say, so that the gospel truth of this matter, they say, Yamia coin, Eya coin dos.
Okay.
If you are a believer, Nasi Archbishop Ebejinawa, you can't use the unction of the Archbishop and come to two a mere apostle. I'm using the mere apostle because the Archbishop wakone ni mo Yamisu. Wọ́n mú sí kan wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ twẹ́ no.
Láti mú ojú sí.
Sí kan yà ọ̀nù Archbishop ní bẹ́ẹ̀ twẹ́ no. Wọ́n reverend minister àfi na wọ́n kọ́twe Bible. Wọ́n kọ́twe chain. I'm using these symbols mean case wakọ́twe sí kan as to odibediewu. But I'm in line with the biblical text.
Okay.
Biblical text. So be an Archbishop. Your man sit short. Any sorry, the Juma way and also. Your war. As of dear title Laudra, it's more rank. Your was of dear title Laudra, it's more a cross, another chain and a cross. That tells you, say, the unction upon that person, no, and when you solve this war. It is a one thing and the Juma felt that you can't access anybody. And moreover, Ojanyami, that name now, is it one God? One God, no. When you Ojanyami spiritual father, no, I may assess what he does.
Now, based on the Ojanyami, so Edibe 2J said, yeah, fraud with the infant a DNA to check because DNA near you and I made that teacher, but say fraud boys, Benya moi, one more emperor na say, you need to say fraud boys that dear woman, woman fine, and then Yamia fine good.
Yeah,
and this will be a deep one. Now, what's that? I say, woman, I'll say, and I got one on the bonny, I would be one. No, say, one no so few on my back. Sasa ka wono so ya saka waken we fi won maba no so mu de e kono kasa da bi de wo ye je bebi a wo gina se wo gina ho na wo de kasa se me ne wo na wo gina ni pone.
You see say ase no busa na wo yi one God as in free one and meet me you one no come pa because
one God o kan yin ti na problem.
Yes because one no be any moral right.
Okay.
Only any moral right. If you believe in the spiritual realm, see that you will be over. The spiritual realms are seven our canon. Our carrying crofo, almost a woman do as if you are canon. He has his limit.
All right.
In the spiritual realm, you have limitations. You will near man, oh yeah, who could do baby. No one tassel, no other form.
All right.
That is the spiritual realm. But one thing I will see a tears here, they say, Ojanyami, proclaiming asem a okan ye no say we for boy na say uhia tumi e dey do juma bra me ho so that me I don't know the wisdom of God. I don't know the wisdom of God. Nanka Nyakopon enu Moses odi poma etre eponimu no enu pa kede be say Moses ye dey.
You see,
they tell me Moses the idea for to say. A prayer for first year near my A. But I'm telling you, the word fraud boys and no, and a gun of flow being who is saying so much big. I'm not defending what he said.
Okay.
Never say, Ebia, Anka, okay, now. Na the 2 years Yakopon Yamano, it's our Casam, what is Yaka. Na Yawa, your Chroma, your Ghana, you yes. I saw for who castle perform no, or no, that same guy no otimi ka say nkofofo no be boa wo obi a wodi bottle full of filth a feel bottle refill and the quality new oil will you do that but these same hypocrite people you will go to church every Sunday with so much filth a feel a job to them what you are saying to church is more than a football that you have been able to tag some acts it's any panel it's wrong.
When you are telling me, you'll be send me a German bonny cramp, I mean to me, and call me so for crowd at Nabidum Castle. Me, my German bonny, no one with a man. There was a problem.
See that, let me tell you, do you know what goes on? You see, the Spirit of God works in so many ways. The Spirit of God works in so many ways. I don't know what so.
Yo.
I don't know what so.
Okay.
Me, I'm a believer. And you think and make us asking me. Say me a believer. I saw for life. No call. I wouldn't go there.
People are not too.
Me so listen, me fee. Me fee. Me nana. And the comfort face.
Oh, okay.
I start to come for him. The dean I am no. Now, me nana yet I say you akonu you fit you to do. Even abosonso you will be fit and you will the way to do. Christosom you will fit and you will to do.
Sir?
Yes. People will use that name to act ill and when your own lie because say many years of I have revelations minya trance and so many things now say me can't someone obi o get you for say me shall come and me cartons na obi a owo tons ho adumache but yetira otum say there be this guy speaks in real tongues.
Okay.
We tongues in tongues papa.
Oh.
And that's how much the baby was.
Oh, say a woman to be children so. A woman to be children tongues no. I know say I much here.
Good. And what should I say? Tongues no to be born in papa. Ana.
Yes, I na tell their name Musa.
Good. It me. My problem is say even if Ojenyami is fake, said you only can. So to me, I consider for we. Man, you don't know what you're saying. So only a spiritual person. Let me tell you one thing today. A pure or yes spirit person will never condemn any spirit person back. I'm telling you today, read my lips. A pure or yes spiritual person. I will say me, I will never condemn you. That is the principle.
Okay.
That is the principle. That is the principle. And to me, when I listen to him, now I can't the person quoting the words, and the words are so childish and it's so about him. And then I said, he gets these platforms and deceive people. And Ghanaians should wisen up. And also the men have to double. Because send me send me a suffer, me send me a comfort. What is a comfort mean? I could tell a comfort that.
Oh, a cost.
It's a really cost. And the people have moved from that spiritual realm up physical. They deal with physical.
Okay.
Only spiritual realms, you don't talk much. You talk based on yellow alone.
Okay.
And this same Ojenyami, I'm telling you, and culture and so I share Ghana. There are so many concert WhatsApp. In that interview, and in that program I usa that guy no the only interview that guy no bisa ne say or can say be say na say Ojenyame wa share kom bi say na nado eba be president enti eno so ebem you know how childish and kwalase bia odi yi ano say eno de ye try look to ni die and eno mutia it doesn't use angel and even if you should motia na so you should motia can you condemn your other motia and no you see let's be realistic in this tangent.
All right.
Or say come over maybe you don't want to accept it say na I am just say and all glory be because to be a noble son. Are we Christians? Are we Christians? Because I'm not going man such this people ya more coin ama on na platform a two foot good penny and the repetition and the thumbs up Charlie, you are doing well. No blast software. How can you, that same person, Ujina opinion, Ujina Obofafa, now condemn you? He said people are prophets. Very men, they are all prophets. Only prophets. It is a who could ever preach condemn backward. Are you real person? You're just doing all these things for a human. And I'm telling you, Ojenyame is not ready for such these people. I needed to address this issue. That guy doesn't need my attention. Yes.
Now, woman swa na to say Ojenyame the jumedie so for die chire na to mo pe na sema and some way ma tie fi abranto enu ntia mo ma dwe mo tata no so wa me yi am.
So what we hear tata that means what kasa of faith. It is so we did your off.
Na bi wa dia to say asem wo kan ye fa for boys no mo woni bi enti wo kan.
You see me no Ojenyame anante ache nyenne.
Okay.
I have so many encounters with him. Me will be sadam to me too many. Obo won pa ye ma me ebem. Be jitu. But still say me the body. Me won money already.
You dey dream wa but
no. Okay. I'm just saying, me won money already. But still this man of God Jim Esre at the money boom. Pharisee say me come here for boy. And I mean country and I mean here. I'm sure me nya ABT or more me na and you see, you shouldn't not be hypocrites. And you can say too much hypocrite. Now this same guy, I just don't want to mention his name because that name tag, it speaks a lot. It deceives people.
Now, the same name tag now, Ojenyame so ekra Ojenyame. Oh, no, so the Ojenyame one God. Nyame wo mu ya di mu jadi to no.
Nyame nye God.
God.
Nyame nye God.
Nyame chi kase di.
Nyame chi kase no. Pacho. Yes, yes, no. Okay.
Okay.
How can you call yourself God? How can you call yourself God? And you call yourself Kwano. Chill, baby, any penny free bar.
Okay.
Me patrol me what you say.
Me too.
Good. Now, me say Ghanaians. Set people. Oba ebi a me obofo me ebusunsunyi wo ma osaso so bosom eti obi a refer me a obofo obusunsunyi no na kwa establish fact no eti me kan se wo hunu be bia me di me nim de eko
ikwe
but we can what you say
ati wase
na wo ne broni wo ne bibili o so on half caste o ye bien adante mu ni ye bien.
You say we go out for Anna.
Just be real. And if you want credible things, do with credible people. Never shall we all of our things just to only human before. Now change go nine.
The almost only believe no.
What is that belief? Belief better what they believe in this. Tell me, believe babe. Let me know. Ghanaians should answer this. What kind of belief is that?
No, okay, everyone say they believe in the brand.
What is brand? What are you talking about?
Image,
See, listen. Let me tell you one thing. Rings. Social ringer. Say, over rings. Now you can't break the position now. Ring the position has a meaning. You see, that's what I'm saying. Say,
okay.
Say if you will be already registered. You don't condemn any spiritual person.
Okay.
Because at the end of spiritual realm, anyone have been always saying this. Listen, Mr. McCall, sorry. Nasi Obi Shofu Amma Obi Obi miracles. So if you work in the spiritual realms, anyone
it's a normal cry.
Anyone can say at the end of the week, about
a butterfly.
Butterfly. See what we want. Miss One, or no shame you say butterfly. It is said, how are you a butterfly? Is it new?
Any strange.
Any strange we want. Good. But so we do now the catcher say, butterfly, and a butterfly, and a hippopotamus. You will tell me, hey, you because I'm not being normal. But the dimension you don't see. If you look at them say me, you're not different.
Okay.
What's he saying? In the spiritual realm, also say hippopotamus. You will be talking with me in the image that I'm seeing. Because what I see, you can also see. Dear me took down a 4 for the Upon say ye who be you say you and my own man your home coin. So we believe that you don't even waste your time watching them. They will deceive you. It's simple. They will just deceive you. Sure. One go and change to a man. Come on, amamre bi ana say ye wo culture here. Only change to a man.
A man the
change. At home. Then you change. Yeah. I mean, yes, now, it's a symbol of authority.
Okay.
Yeah? It's a symbol of authority. And let me tell you, this guy portrays, he knows so many things in spiritual realm. But I'm telling you today, he has nothing.
And why so now here actually say ring was dear change the 290 see one him I didn't know what she said not to say what they are creating image so or you're fully aware of what goes in the
see he proclaims that nobody can do him anything because we'll be in one more time.
Yeah, sure.
And you're saying me, yes, sure, sanity. How many years the teacher said, Come and then we are who will from 2 million Pias and 3 years. 2 million a did so. And we are convenient to put you say, bam. But before which may you pour down for over to me, I commanded fire, light fire on people. It's not easy. If you think say you have spirit. That guy, if he thinks so our spirit, when he believes in his spirit, and then that way no you should have come. Eti also tears he say, yen you won't be yakusku. Yen day.
Yo.
Say oh can sem. Let's asem no. We need your work in baby fever.
Na yen share yesan ye chinko de ojaname before or dey ebe tu dwai die ene mema no akasa wa kire omu ene bi omu so krampo nyame onante was akwan so
what was that intelligent question okay medical kasa sebo
Yakubu call first for Yenima. It's not me to judge.
Okay.
Because some call Bible one. John the Baptist. Time when Yakubu, yes, so we're doing or Manikotinas. Quiet. And remember, and worry. Senka a net, ye pa, that guy, no, they proclaim me or no meet me, a castle way finger memo. Correct John the Baptist, why then?
Also, finger.
Yes.
That's a pump cramp on her tasting.
This same John the Baptist. Oh, anything you try.
You try to.
So in Yamipa. I get a castle will be in Yamini power, wagging Yamijuma, who be woo, woo, fun say. And can we get these same people who criticize this? And it's only God who knows what the plans that he has for his children. Now, and yeah, say somebody like who need Yami, ye more was who need Christ to be unquassolida. You sit in your comfortable seat. Now what you now when did he nipa 10 crowd? When did he nipa 10? Say nipa 10 essay was so mercy. Now advice on everyone for the right reader. You haven't done this. Which me just animal way in our home. Now I said some Ghanaians always so dumb will understand what he's doing. Now we'll two Abra, you see in the Christopher mind. Will be on one mercy. That on one solid them down. Timika said, software finger. Now, Donna, Don Can Williams in finger me. Is to learn about in finger me. Obin finger me. Obofun finger me. Udenya in finger me. Say, they should tell us. Or no one see us when they're more than the finger. Or no one became on the no, I mean, keep yourself so low to that level. Emma sound conform women. Emma make it can see me a jelly pa, let me pay me. And I'm telling you, until say, Yankopo, me, I heard Prophet Kumchacha condemning Ojenami. I heard him point blank.
It's all understanding the same ministry.
Go. Mesati one Prophet Kumchacha.
Yeah.
He was also condemning Ojenami. You see, I would love somebody like Kumchacha to talk his mind, but I'm telling you, on say Christosono, and yet me say me kai say, me should say Christosono, and yes I need a woman.
Now then the woman.
I was saying God is doing his things. Also, when a woman now mommy, a chop in the door, no one any trap. To wear papa. Yeah. I don't know when you jealousy. The only you trouble. We need not to criticize. And if you think, so we call so for you home. Now, if you say, you're descending spirits, see a bonus, now the believer, now the media. So, when the media for me, you should have a descending spirit. Descending spirit, and you are minimum. Till ye, and yet, you should have a descending spirit. And what say?
Okay.
But let me ask you, Nipa, don't send anyone all these things are near man. A Christopher be a short. Enti, service of some, a frantoma. No time also. Everything screen so. Now, can't actually send. Na udia chiri na ubosi ye ampo asema ko ikenye eyemkuro. That tells you say you are very carnal only Christian. A true believer will not condone what this guy is doing. And let me tell you, na fofo from on fan ko be o de ko say adia wo ye no ona bonten
say we come and say imam bi your papa. You see, Christo so so lenient say and makwan e me nkofo bi say din say ni. If you come out, no make us say imam bi your papa.
Just a Christo soon kwa na say and say bi say
no, we are very lenient. We are very lenient. You are lenient to the sense say okay, unim dia woka, because if you are talking about the Holy Spirit, now woka sabi ni pasemo a obi a wo oka Christ adwen no wo woka ni pa adwen no oni no we are power we na mana we na you can meet it's saying palom so and I'm telling you that guy is still living because nobody is giving him attention.
Tisi amanfo ni ba no so ni omo ka so mbe attack no betimi nefi wo.
It's not attack to take him off. The tell say na also kan no tu e wo Christo so mo. Say also believe in karma. The principles are karma setting. How you know you so who's astrology? What is supposed to happen will happen. Say man, you will be a course schools. Yes, sir. Now what change you because you go progress. And will be and such people say you dey kakra bi wo nya no de no to so. And no dey born was for him. And on them kunu ha. And one God, and one God, and one God. It's unfortunate. Say getting a man platform because sabi udidi men na ono mo kwasi ansa na o feel so you okay near the camera see so na can see buna anya no nsem obi will fall victim to it, but I'm telling you Ghana ha nipa bebre enim nyansa
Nyansa mpaba di okomodi ni baby ye anse ne be twa so crab me be se me hu se enti se eye ojanyami a wode ensemi aba I no na ma obi so abeka do no so nim fa ho no enti so empo se na me e di asem emma wo anaso do asem to akoma so tu na mo se no abeka se fraud boys bet me aba na so eye abeje mo wo a se juma ya kwa nipa ho adwuma a se nipa na beji watum ana se nipa na ebetie no ma ji wasem no e de atu ana moninti ewu hia se o kan sem bi se grandpa obi be hu ni se ne nyame asem bo ebura wo be chirem kakra manti asaye dwon no mpadu oh okay fine se no bi be kedu abonten a e me se o resu dia be kan ma nwem kakra o kan pro a de se wo sofo a wo che na se tuni nti wonum kakra no wo bi ka fa.
You see, yet you say na kwanchire adume kura no oni ni yakopon tem ose
nti o hia so be chire ma chiro bia
na se yakopon kasa yakopon e kasa oni hwan wo akotototo na no
se asoro ye no nyema for boys nkwan
oh no I don't make say asoro no ye no nyema for boys but what I'm saying is say oso o akwanchire adu see e wo wa dia obetimi a question say o ka say o be nyame say o be ya mama ami kwa be na ya ko ti bi anya mama again na ko ti bi anya me dia mama actually make what you say
Matthew say
yes and then you pay young kwaje more that guy also assessor on pass on bi ko on ko bosu
you see one God now can I say
yes that guy
okay
on bosu e she nyame edin emunyam
who can for Jesus among
oh yes he doesn't know God
okay
he doesn't know God but what the God told you so that tells you the hypocrite that guy is uti ni the kanya say no this guy or fire you say the crime na jinkwa but what fire you to say the kwa or the jinsa
hey
yes
if you find was that kind
oh yes say I told you
oh
so what you say what fire you say the crime and ma jinkwa me cry and ma jinkwa but on that guy what fire you Christo say the kwa our jeans. I would be see one for.
So the June for Swedi.
Now, okay, see, you leave your number there. Say, oh, so here, call me, a friend, or see when you see. Ghanaians will fall into this. People are falling into this. No, we are doing what we are. I see those people to down.
I'm going to chat to all as much as 484.
As long as you chat to all the same. Touch it on now. Or Casa also. If you don't grab, you want a cocoa. You should talk to that guy. Either say or bar, only in the lane. And yes, channel, sa quality desa tag fin kan edi ejumedi odi no hono ni munyam no ebeba fo
sir.
I'm telling you.
Ti ebe kan juma penyin so.
O no waduma we ye kofo mu a. Waduma penyin a wo ye ne.
Na ebusuafo ebusuan wanga ne nsem a wala keka ede afa oja na me the DA any apanche de betu da ever fraud boys ho na te se na nua ni pon no aba abecheche nsem ade ne de so abakata ho na se asem yi se sia bia bedu na ba afa miensa oja na midina afa ba ko no so nya nkasa ye onkasa ho be ene ombie na no ye ene ni nua be kasa ono na dwe nchode betu da ena ebusha wango supra de a oditi ni baby owo nti se why na se tu ana mo abeyi no wano abeche ni nsem de ebusha for we de ja edi mo mu ni ti ko sisa bre na wo me ba bonten abeyi wo wano ne de na ye di si ase ye di si no wadwe nche hu hia pa wo nso weti afa miensa nia wo de a wo e wo mu no bomo de na fa so me e wo tuma GH your comment section or now share video way on all the social media platforms. Follow Tuma GH or Instagram, Twitter so at Tuma GH _ Facebook Too Much GH. Nana ama uwiswa eni midinga me aduma ibedi shapi makrobia.